Hi everyone. So if you are not able to make calls with your Android mobile phone, in this video let's fix this. First, disable the flight mode. So as you can see, this is the flight mode. Disable it and disable the do not disturb mode as well. After that, ensure you have a strong signal. So as you can see, check the signals and you can also restart your phone to fix this issue. The next method you can try is go to settings. After that, go to this apps option. Now you have to search for an app called phone. So scroll down and this is the option we need, phone. Click on it. Now search for storage option. So this is the option we need, storage. Now you have to clear the cache. So click on it to clear the cache and after that click on clear data. Click on delete. Now restart your phone and check. The next step you can try is update your phone. So go there and update your phone as well. The final method you can try is remove your SIM. You can use this tool to remove your SIM and check. So this is the SIM which I am using. Now first you have to clean your SIM. So you can use a brush to remove all kind of dust, or you can use a eraser to remove all kind of dust and carbon from your SIM. So you can use this eraser. Okay, so first remove all kind of dust from your SIM and after that reinsert your SIM and check. So these are the few methods you can try